Hello friends, I'm Ronald and I'm here with something new for you. Today I will be teaching you, or I will be explaining you how can you make a temperature control fan. Yes, the fans in your houses can be controlled with the temperature sensor. I will use DTH11 sensor for that. So here you need Arduino. I used Arduino and Adafruit motor shield. This box, as you can see on the screen, three wires, three jumper wires with which are cutted in middle half. So here is the Arduino we will connect. Yes, we need one servo and that sensor, DTH11 sensor, and the breadboard. So here as you can see, connect the wires. Okay, one wire is connected to the analog 0, and then other two are connected to the ground and 5-volt current supplies. So let's see how you can make it. So here now Adafruit, this is the Adafruit motor shield. I will use this for running the servo. If you don't have this, you can directly put some wires and attach it on the Arduino. You can take help from other YouTube video how to connect servo with Arduino. So here on bread, now let's plug this Adafruit motor shield. Yes, done. Okay, this wire, yes, now it's okay. So fixed it in. Now yes, you take this mini breadboard. Here now attach the pins. If you cannot understand here which pin to put where, after this video, after this clip, I will provide a photo for that. I have made a hole from which I have put some jumper wires. Now let's join the jumper wires with the old wires. Yes, and done. So okay, now we will need one more hole for the serial cable of the Arduino or data cable, as you wish to do. And done. So now yes, this pin goes in and I have plugged it to Arduino, and this also joined. Done. Now let's try to close this box. As you can see, it won't close because of the wires. So let's cut some part of it, and here one more cut, and this side, and done. Now this is okay, but what about this side? So here also, as you can see, it doesn't get in. So this side also we will cut a little half. Yes, and out. Done. This motor, you can let it be out. So now let's fix the wire according to the same, means as I put the wire according to sequence. Put the wire. Yes, and done. We have fixed it. And now let's stick this mini breadboard. Extra wire, lagging wire, you can push it inside the box. And now let's stick this. I have stick the mini breadboard, and now done. We are done with. So our model is done. Our system so here. Let us test it. I programmed the arduino. Now let's see how does it work. So on the sensor I am throwing hot air, and yes, temperature changed. So the servo motor, and that's what I have used, means I have done at my home to fix this model on the circuit board. There are many easier ways than this. So friends, we are done with our model. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.